Hey everybody, how's it going? Delay of upload here with another unboxing, or I should say unbagging video for you. This time we're looking at a Starcraft 2 Gem Raynor hoodie. I actually purchased this off of ThinkGeek. They had a big huge clearance sale thing they were doing a little while back. It's actually a few months ago. It was still summer, I believe, when it was going on. And these things were marked down to just 20 bucks. And I managed to find one in my size. Hopefully it actually fits. It's true to size. I don't know. But thought it would be something cool to show you guys. And yeah, so let's take a look at it and let's get going. Alright, so it's got a sticker on the other side that's got my information on it. I actually could not remove that sticker. So we're just going to try and tear it open from this side and show you the hoodie. I've been waiting for the winter season to show this to you guys because I just didn't want to whip it out during the summer and then have to store it somewhere all this time, so it's just been waiting. Okay. There's the hoodie. We've got some paperwork here. See if there's anything else in the bag. Just to show, nothing in the bag. Set that off to the side. So looking at the paperwork, it was actually Jinx, not ThinkGeek, that I ordered this hoodie from. And I can't remember if they were, I'm not sure if they're going out of business or maybe they were just having a big sale. I can't remember. Like I said, this was back in, looks like July when I ordered this thing. But yeah, it was right about the price. It was $19.99, shipping and everything. All said and done, it was 33 bucks. Which in hindsight, I probably could have paid for slower shipping because I wasn't going to use it till winter. So, but it is a Starcraft Raynor Premium Zip-Up hoodie. That's just a return policy on the back, so that's good. Okay, so go ahead and get this open. And I may pause the video again. Might just lay it out on the floor so you guys can get a good look at it if I can't get the whole thing in frame. As like I said, it's a I believe I ordered a 2X. No, I actually ordered a 3X because the 2X was out. I remember now. I normally wear a 2X in hoodies and stuff, but I had to do the 3X because it was sold out. So, and like I said, if I can, or if I have to, I'll put this on the floor so you guys can take a good look at it, which looks like I'm going to have to do because this thing is enormous. So let me pause the video real quick. We'll get this on the floor and I'll show you the hoodie. Alright, so here's the hoodie. Got it all laid out. We'll start with the arms. Zeke wanted to check it out. Hey, buddy. Alright. There's the pockets. Does the pocket go all the way through? Hey, buddy. He's going to watch the unboxing with you guys as well. Alright, so back with the hoodie. Had to get the dogs out of the way. Lucy came in. There she is. So we'll take a look. The pockets actually do not go all the way through. It's really big pockets though, so that's awesome. I've got the stretchy material there for the bottom. I'll check out the zipper and stuff in just a sec. Just want to show you guys. And I believe, if I remember correctly, it was from Starcraft 2 that this is inspired from. I actually didn't get to play Starcraft 2. I've heard mixed things, but if anybody knows what that symbol is, then please feel free to comment. So let's take a look at this zipper here. And we lost focus. Alright, had a weird focus issue there. We're back. It's definitely been the most problematic video I've had so far today. Dogs doing their thing. See if I can... Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, so now that the dogs are done inspecting, and hopefully for the last time, we'll be interrupted there. So take a look at that zipper again. Here's the hood. Nope, we're not done. Okay. Let's see. What is this? I guess it's supposed to maybe be like a heads-up display or something. You got the Jinx logo. Let me pause the video real quick. We'll open this up and see if there's anything on the inside. So there actually is nothing on the inside. Definitely prone to stains being white. It's really soft material though. Looking forward to trying this out. So let's get it. I'm gonna pause one more, hopefully be the last time. Get this flipped over and see if there's what the design looks like on the back. And what a design that is. Check that out. Couldn't see it in the original, the product listing. This thing is awesome. It looks just like the suits they wear. Again, the name's just escaping me at the moment. I apologize. Just lift the phone up there. Check that out. So that is awesome. Thought you guys would enjoy taking a look at this with me. Appreciate y'all watching. Hope you enjoyed the dog interruptions, and if not, I apologize for that. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.